It seems when we made these records back in 86, 87, seemed like things would have been unchanged now, but that was, wow, that was 86. Yeah, I think these records was bought for 86. And we thought maybe, hey, these records wouldn't even be needed now, you know? Wouldn't even be needed now. But they still be needed. Yeah, that's true. But anyway, this is the group Alpha and Omega. And I wish I had a better picture this way I could get the gloss off of the picture. But I don't know. Seemed like we had a bigger one than that. So this is I'm gonna do them one at a time. I can do them this way.
Crack is whack, that's a fact. Come to God, get your mind back. Crack is whack, that's a fact. Come to Jesus, get your mind back. Crack is whack, that's a fact. Come to Allah, get your mind back. Now crack is whack, that's a fact. Come back to Jah, get your mind back. Crack is whack, that's a fact. Come back to Allah, get your mind back. Crack is whack, that's a fact. Come back to Yahweh, get your mind back. I'm not rapping to compete. I want to rap to you to make your mind complete. This is not a rap about the rich and the poor. And this is not a rap about the girl next door. This rap is deeper. It's deeper, you see. Cause it goes all the way back to Calvary. My Lord died for you and for me. He laid his life down on that tree. He didn't have to do it, but he did. He did it for us all so that we can live again.
Aren't you glad about it?
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 Aren't you glad about it? Now he was born to the Virgin Mary from Levi, but his father dwells in his mansion in the sky. Now don't let nobody try to fool I and I. This is not a myth and it's certainly no lie. He went down to the grave and be death upside the head. He went down to the grave and be death upside the head. He went down to the grave and be death upside the head. When they went to the tomb, they found the angel instead.
Aren't you glad about it?
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 Aren't you glad about it? The people we've been down for so long, still in the valley of the dry bones. Can we learn from lesson Jesus gave, that we too can rise up from our grave? Now can we see all of this alcohol and drugs isn't doing anything but making us bugs? Now didn't Jesus say men would come in his name? And can we see many of them running their game? They're running over here, they're running over there. Of course they don't intend to do no good anywhere. You know they run it in the west, they run it in the east. Saints, be careful of that beast. You know they run it in the north, they run it in the south. Saints, be careful, you better watch out.